Makassar city is one of the cities in Indonesia where to go for culinary. People say if you want to eat well, go to Makassar. And this time, I was in Kedah, Farha wanted to taste food in the form of soup with cassava. Makassar people call cassava is sweet potato. This is the sweet potato lung soup. This sweet potato lung soup contains vermicelli, bean sprouts, fried cassava pieces and pieces of beef lung. Here the first also ordered. Sop Saudara is a soup dish containing meat and vermicelli. This food is like Makassar kodo. The only difference is in the soup, and Sop Saudara uses vermicelli as a complement. And I also ordered paru rika. This is a culinary identical to this city. Fried crispy beef lung with sweet and spicy flavors combined with warm rice. But in this shop we also get Sop Saudara soup as a complement. For those of you who are in Makassar, you can try this food. This beef soup contains several beef offal, and of course, 98% of the food in Makassar is halal. The sauce is so delicious, you can see for yourself in this video. If you go to Makassar, don't forget to stop by the Farha shop to eat. The food here is delicious and very cheap.
Jual nasi kuning kuningan, dia bisa hilang. Makan deh lama.
For the sweet potato soup, the broth is so fresh, the spices are just right. The portion is large for only 15,000 rupiah.
Pergi ngumpul-ngumpul. Tidak habis jiwa gerak traktir Jiki. Bisa? Bisa ya?
Baik kalau kita ini sih ayah.
Kenapa tidak bisa? Nah, para temannya ini. ada yang basah.
Salah. Kalau dijamin.
Di sini kada kawena ya. Kenapa itu? Tunggu dulu balik. Sholat dulu pas.
Ini kuahnya campur.
Jangan ke sholat. Kasih pas teman.
Tapi yang saya komplit terus. Memang